decided to actually add a major and treat my post senior year as another internship opportunity, which is how I landed Merrill Lynch M&A.
I've heard of that. Is that a thing now where people, when they find out about investment banking too late and they miss that kind of sophomore, junior, summer internship? Have you heard of a lot of kids doing that now, staying an extra whole year? Because
I
it's a
hadn't at
financial.
I hadn't at the time. It's for whatever reason it's relatively common at Wisconsin.
Mm.
People have a number of majors. It's a very large school, and sometimes graduating on time is difficult on its own. But let alone wanting to add an internship. So it kind of worked out in my favor and allowed me to sort of mature intellectually and professionally a little bit more, and also just learn the tools and interview skills, and spend a lot of time probably reading your website trying to get ready for an investment banking internship.